What is up, everybody? So today was very interesting. Completely forgot to shoot an intro like I always do. But I recently got kind of sick and I haven't been feeling too good. But decided to go out to Falcon today. Heard that the fishing was really tough. I had to see it for myself, and it was extremely tough to say the least. I could not find a single pattern for bass. I couldn't find anything. I didn't get a single hit. I didn't catch a single bass today, which was just, I mean, that was just really tough. Tried looking for some crappie on some brush piles, and all of a sudden my active target started acting up. And I think in this video you guys might end up hearing me talk about it. But I gotta call customer service. I gotta figure out what's up with it. I did the update for it, and ever since that update, it just hasn't been working the same. It has about a 30-second delay between the video, so it makes it really tough for me to be able to fish for crappie on brush piles since I can't really see them. And if one does go to check out my bait, I can't try to convince it to bite because I don't know what's there. So it's kind of tough, but there's not much I can do about it. But we were able to make a video today on white bass, which is a video that I've never made before. So I'm kind of excited to see how y'all think, what y'all think about it and how y'all like it. So yeah, this video is on me and my dad fishing for white bass. We are using the FCI crappie jigs. The link is now in my description on my YouTube channel. If you open up my channel, and on the, I guess it's the bio or the description, it shows I have a link there where y'all can go onto Facebook and actually order or place an order for y'all's crappie jigs in whatever colors y'all want, whether it's the custom color that I had designed, which is the Falcon Fire color, or if you just want some, jigs of your own colors, you go and choose that. But let's go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, every time I try to stop recording, guys. Oh my god. What is this problem? Look at this little shit. It's quite literally every time I try to stop recording, they want to eat it. I swear I didn't want to throw him down that hard. Oh, what the hell?
I want to say it's the one you just let off.
Oh! Dude, they're right here at the boat! These are monsters too, dude. Double up. Why? You want to get one of these or what? Oh man, that was ferocious. That was funny, dude. He was like right at the boat. He was pissed off at the lure. That's a nicer one though. That's like a 10-incher. Epa. So much more. Mega, giant, huge. Oh my god, ginormous. The size of this one. At first they were really big. Catch megas here, guys. Mega white bass. Oh my god. Toad.
Where you want to get it?
Yeah, dude. They're over here. Oh my god, this one will drag. He's not much bigger, but... Oh, right at the boat. He got hooked, dude, but he's just like under his ass. Monster! Monster! Well guys, when all hope fails, get on. He went flying, man. Jeez. Oh my god, I got another one. See, this feels different. Nah, it's my best thing. Boom! I was trying to stop you off from watching this fish come in. Shit. Sorry, too much action going on. Alright guys, so I said the name wrong. It's CFI. Crappie jigs, not FCI. I'm forgetting the name of my own jig. These white bass guys are just hitting so quick that I can't seem to think. I was right, it's CFI crappie jigs. Dad, you want the white bass jig? You want the white bass jig?
They're getting the regular crappies here.
Dude, they're going crazy. Oh shit! That might be something different.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be a really big one, dude. No? It's a bass. Whoa, guys, check that out! What the hell?
That's crappie. That's a big crappie too.
Dude, that's a slab.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Stop. Stop, dude, stop. Stop. Stop.
That's a big ass crappie.
Dude, he bent out your jig and everything. Check that out, guys. Slab crappie. Casting too. Got him. Monster. Monster. Oh no, he came off. Fuck. Oh, I got one. You're over here, dude. Oh, mine's actually a big one. Boom. Guys, this is awesome. Just absolutely crazy. With the best jigs for it all, FCI. These are the striper slash white bass jigs. In whatever color you want. Oh, Dad's on. Monster. With the ultralight. Yeah, guys, I'm going a little overkill right now. I'm using bait casting gear. Oh my god, there's like 1,000 of them hitting it. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, white bass mayhem has started. Monster white bass. We are using the CFI crappie jigs to catch white bass. Oh, I got one. Oh my god, he choked it. Jeez. You guys think he wanted that crappie jig?